Hi traders, as I promised, I'm gonna show you how I did 350% in just 3 weeks. Let's find out. I'll show you on the chart. This is Shiba chart, and we can see after this big drop, price start to reject multiple times this level. That's why I draw a horizontal line as a support. Price reject 1, 2, 3, 4, make a little base, and then 5 times. Also, I draw this trend line because price never break the higher point. Just here, try a bit, but then come back again. But here I see something different. It's breaking through the trend line and also the volume increasing. And this is the exactly day when I invest on Shiba. You can see I've done a screenshot on my position. I invested the 16th of September at this current price. I will show you now with the replay video what happened next. Price start to drop again a little bit, make a base again, consolidation, and then boom, went straight up. After this big push up on the market, I decided to close 75% on my position on Shiba. And I'll show you this is when I sold Shiba over the weekend, the 9th of October, at this current price. If you done your math, it's 350% gain in just 3 weeks. If you have any question, please leave your comment below, and I welcome you to join all our social media channels so you don't miss any updates. So thank you for watching this video, and happy trading and healthy investing. See you next time. Thank you. Bye.